Hey guys, my name is Lily, here with CRKT. I'm here to talk about the M402M, designed by Kit Carson. We use 8CR steel for the blade. We have a G10 bolster with a resin-infused fiber handle. The blade is a mix between a spear point and drop point, and it does have a hollow grind. The M16 line uses the outburst assisted opening, which is quick once you get that going. It does have a tip down carry pocket clip. This knife features our liner lock, which you slide over to close. The M402M is a fresh take on one of our classics. This is one of the knives you guys already know and love. The main difference, as you can see, is going to be the handle. The M402M is also lighter. For the M4 line, we had used a secondary liner lock, but for this design, we did not include it. If you're familiar with Kit Carson, you know that he is one of our biggest designers. He has designed the M16 line and M21, which has been in our line for decades. The M402M is just another great addition to his M4 family. I'm excited to see the M402 join the family this coming year, as the M402W was one of the first knives I carried when I first started with CRKT. I just love how fast and easy this outburst assist opening is, and I think it's one of the classiest knives and pretty thin to carry within my pocket. If you're looking for an everyday carry with an outdoorsy vibe, I highly recommend you check out our M402M by Kit Carson.